blast. It is caused by Pericularia oryzae, and sometimes the perfect stage is known as Magnaporthe grisea. Some other people calling it as Magnaporthe oryzae. The disease infects a plant and lowland rice. It affects all above ground parts of the plant, the leaf, the collar, the node, and the neck, and parts of the panicle. And the disease occurs in areas with low soil moisture, frequent and prolonged periods of rain shower, cold temperature in the daytime. And the leaf blast incidence tends to lessen as plants mature and develop adult plant resistance. Leaf blast infection can kill seedlings or plants up to tillering stage. But paano natin ma-recognize ang rice blast? Of course, through their symptoms produced by the diseased plant. On the leaves, the spots are spindle-shaped and pointed at both ends. Ito yung characteristic symptom. And then later on, the spots will coalesce, causing drying and early senescence of the leaves. Katulad na siya nito. Mamamatay yung dahon. But the disease would cause the most serious damage when it attacks the neck of the panicle. Ito. So, anong mangyayari? Pag na-attack ito, this will become very brittle at kunting hangin lang, ito ay malalaglag. The same is true pag yung node ang na-attack. This will also become brittle at pag nahanginan ng malakas, ito ay malalaglag. So that is a complete loss of the panicle. How are we going to manage rice blast? Of course, the use of resistant varieties is the most economical and practical method of controlling the disease. And you can maybe see an updated list. Pwede kayong humingi sa PhilRice. Mayroon silang mga listahan kung ano yung mga varieties na resistant to a particular disease. We can raise seedlings under lowland conditions at the onset of the rainy season and apply or have to reduce the nitrogenous fertilizer to prevent the severe outbreak of rice blast. And mas maganda if you can split the nitrogen application at 20, 40, and 60 days after planting. And of course, the last resort is judicious application of recommended fungicides. Pag sinabi natin na recommended fungicides, we are referring to the fungicides that are registered with the Fertilizer and Pesticide Authority against the particular disease in a particular crop.